Didn't see you there. I was too busy enjoying the music from my own radio station, right here. If you want to see how I made this and how well it works, maybe continue watching. You could possibly build your own radio station too. The sun is really bright in my eyes, so let's go inside and start building this. Just to make things simpler, I've already built a circuit on a breadboard. I'll give you a quick demo of how it works. Now we can hit transmit button. Okay. So now the light lit up for transmission. See if we can actually get the antenna up. There. Now that we know it works, we can actually put the circuit onto a piece of perf board and then 3D print out a case to make it look nice. Now it's time to solder. Here's the basic construction. You can see here I got these in 2 separate parts like I was saying I wanted to do. And I'm going to put it either like this below it or off to the side. Or maybe even like this. This was the idea that I was thinking I liked the best. So now, let's go into Fusion 360 and start designing. Here's the finished model. I've decided I want to use wooden PLA on the top, black in the middle, and red on the bottom. And the buttons are going to be red for putting the frequency up, another red one for down, and then blue for transmit, because I'm using a blue LED. The parts will be bolted together. You can see I got the holes. And this is how it'll just go together in the middle. You can see the insides. So I guess now that the model's done, let's get it printed out and see how it looks, and then assemble it. I've just finished printing all the parts, and here they are. We got the base, the sides, the top, and the buttons. Now we need the electronics to put it all together. So you can see there's a few differences since the last time I showed the electronics. I'm running it off a 9-volt battery, and I've also added an external antenna jack. Now that we have all this, we need to put it together. And here it is, complete. All that's left to do is turn it on and see how well it actually works. And it works perfectly fine. I'm glad there's no problems whenever I put something together that forced me to take it all apart and look for some little wire that's shorted out. You can see, everything works fine. Now, it's just time to test it and see how far its range actually is. Take 2 of trying to broadcast something. Turns out it was just a problem where something was shorting on the bottom of the board, so it wouldn't transmit. We got the broadcast lights on. Hit play on the crappy YouTube audio library song I found. It was just the first song I found, so I chose it. Now let's turn the radio on. Now this is the song. So I'll start filming. We'll see. Oh, that's some other radio station. So we can only get about 4 feet away before we start to lose it. Yeah. But I think it also might be a problem with another radio station nearby, so I'll change the frequency. I'm going to try going down to like 500 kilohertz, so I don't think there's really anything. Actually, no, what's the lowest one? 525. There. Now let's try again, see how far away we can go. So the same distance. I would not recommend building one because it doesn't work very well. Maybe if I make an external amplifier, I might do a second video on that. I'm not going to promise a second video because I've said I'm going to make a part 2 in videos before and haven't, but maybe in the future there will be, maybe there won't be. But yeah, if you want to build something like this, I don't know, not sure if I'd recommend it. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.